Just a quick video to help with some of the IRLP navigation. I'll send this out as needed. So when you're looking to find out what's going on, you want to look at active node status and then connected nodes and reflector status. So this gives you a list of all the reflectors. You've got the wind system, you've got the East Coast reflector, all these things. Channel 1, so 9051 would be channel 1, 9052 would be channel 2. So this is 5 people on 9070. So there are 5 people on 9075. So if you tag into the reflectors, that's how you find out what's going on with those. If you're interested in seeing connected nodes, you can click on those and look through, or you can search for, if you know the node number or call sign or location, or you can hunt through and see if they're available, idle, whatever their status is. But if you want to see what's going on in Kalispell, Montana, node 3692, you click on it and that tells you that it's not connected to anything and it's been idle for 8 days, 3 hours, 27 minutes, and 15 seconds. It would also let you know if it was hooked into a reflector, and if it was hooked into a reflector, you would have to go to that reflector, clicking on reflector usage. This gives you a little bit more of a detailed view of what's going on with the reflectors and shows you everybody who's hooked in by their call sign. So if 9050 East Coast reflector, if I were this station in Huntsville and you looked up the node 8087, I'll show you what that would look like. So connected nodes, find 8087, Huntsville, Alabama, link to 9050, and it's only been in for 18 seconds, so it must have just linked in. And you can click on it and you can see what the node status is. So hopefully this will help you dig around and find out what you're trying to find out with any of the nodes, or find out what I'm hooked to or anything if you try to use it. So find 73 from Dave, W5CSM.